We are not in Saudi Arabia anymore. Obviously, that seems pretty apparent. However, a very important box from UPS has it appears that it's not here. That is unexpected. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. And welcome back to a kind of sort of perfect day in the beautiful state of Utah. It is so good to be home. Saudi Arabia was absolutely amazing. However, we're back at the Supra. We got a major mod today. The major mod was supposed to arrive with UPS today at 10:30. It's now 11. I'm headed to my appointment, but I don't actually have the mod for the appointment. The reflection of the Supra looks so good. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? From the factory, the Toyota Supra has roughly 335 horsepower, which is a nice number, but it's not quite enough. We're here at 80. Somewhere deep inside the engine bay of this BMW is a baby turbo, and unfortunately its time, its life is over, but we gotta let the Supra cool down. I'm headed home with Casey because my new turbo has not arrived. Also, yes, I'm installing a bigger turbo. I don't think I said that. We're gonna head back to 80 here soon. We're just sort of waiting for UPS. It could be an hour, it could be 20 minutes, it could be all day. Also, the second frame for the Gladiator is arriving on November 29th. Enjoy the white wheels on the Aventador. I need to get winter tires installed ASAP. There's a pending winter apocalypse getting ready to descend on the beautiful state of Utah. I'm excited to announce today's video has been sponsored by CSR2 Racing. Guys, CSR2 is one of the most fun drag racing mobile games for free download on both iOS and Android devices. First off, the graphics are absolutely amazing. You can build your dream garage. They got hypercars, they got supercars, exotic cars, and muscle cars. They got Lamborghinis, they got Koenigseggs. Like, you could buy a Koenigsegg Jesko on CSR2 Racing. I recently picked up a very nicely optioned 2012 Lamborghini Aventador, finished here in Oroncio, Argos. However, I'd reckon it could look a little bit better in maybe, purple. Yes, purple. The Argos looks really good, but yeah, we need the purple. CSR2 Racing features a whole customization and tuning shop. We can actually paint this Aventador purple to match mine. We'll do the satin purple paint. Check that out. I know the orange interior on my Aventador has always kind of sort of triggered some of you guys, but imagine yellow or green. It would be really cool to have a purple interior, but let's stick with the orange. That's sick. Of course, the final touch to the Aventador, we need the custom vanity plate. That is sick. Like, let's be honest, how cool is that to have a matching car in the game that I own? The spec matches, but I think we need to make some performance upgrades in the form of a turbo. Yes, a turbo. Before we drag race in CSR2 Racing, in real life, in actuality, if today's video can get 175,493 likes, I will twin turbo my Lamborghini. Not in CSR2 Racing, in real life, I will twin turbo my Lamborghini. So be sure to smash that like button. Okay, so, wow. Wait, is that for, yes, smash that. I can't believe I'm doing this. You can drag race against people around the world in real time. Okay. An F12 Berlinetta. Yeah, I'll accept your challenge. Are you kidding me? Let's go. Let's race. F12 versus the Lamborghini Aventador. Come on. Never doubt. Full send. Okay, so that was not very good. Nitrous. Come on, Aventador. Go, 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 go. I'm just as terrible of a driver in CSR2 Racing as I am in real life. Wow. As you might say, ladies and gentlemen, I am a loser. CSR2 Racing is definitely one of the most fun mobile games I have ever played. They even have an augmented reality mode to bring your cars into real life. It is so sick. Be sure to check out the link in the description below to start playing CSR2 today. It's 1:56 p.m. Update on UPS. They're not here. The winter apocalypse is quickly and fastly approaching. So my Supra's gonna have a bigger turbo, which means more power. It's rear wheel drive. The car is at 80, it's stuck at 80, and the winter apocalypse is quickly and fastly approaching, which is kind of sort of curious. UPS said it would be here at 10:30 a.m., Oscar. 10:30, that's what they said. They're wrong though. In the meantime, we can finally install the Carbontastic steering wheel for the Gladiator. I know this is gonna be a bad idea. Oh, burr, burr, burr. Oh, it's so windy. Oh, gosh. I don't wanna hit the Aventador. How do we look, boys? How do we look? Do we look good? I can't see. I cannot see. Step one is to remove the factory steering wheel, and the first step to do that is to remove that little tab right there. You got the bolt right there. This is not a how-to video because I don't know what I'm really doing. Lefty loosey, righty-tighty. I have no real idea what I'm doing. I simply just have my intuition. There's really no how-to videos of the Gladiator online. We need to unclip those, presumably. Oscar, hustle! Yes, yes, UPS is here. Oscar, they're here. Bud, UPS is here. They're here. Oscar, we gotta go. We gotta go. It finally arrived. Shout out to UPS. It is 6 hours late, but it is here. We're gonna unbox that soon, but we gotta finish the steering wheel. We have the 24mm socket. Lefty loosey, righty. Nope, nope. See, the problem is, oh, the steering wheel wants to rotate. No. Dun, dun, dun. We definitely did not set a world record, but the steering wheel is finally installed from Carbontastic. This carbon fiber just looks so good. The Helisaur is 6x6. Guys, be sure to check out the link in the description below to Carbontastic. I have one of their amazing steering wheels on the Gladiator now, the Aventor, and the Focus, and hopefully coming to a Supra vlog near you. Now, as far as the Supra and as far as that bigger turbo, obviously it's 9:30, so I will see you guys in the morning. Yes. Good night. Good morning, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. And welcome back to the vlog. Ow! Dun dun dun. All the way from Oceanside, California, from Pure Turbo, we have their latest and greatest turbo setup, the Pure 800. As you might say, ladies and gentlemen, now we're okay, so I was gonna say now we're rolling, but in actuality, now we're okay, so I was gonna say now we're spooling, but that's really, I'm just gonna excuse myself out. This is the Pure 800 Turbo from PureTurbos. Guys, be sure to check out the link in the description below for all your turbo needs. We got the Pure 800. Obviously, we are running late, so time is kind of sort of the essence. Cold startup, 2020 Gladiator Hellcat. Why is that so cool? It looks technical by nature, but it's actually not. Whoa! The Carbontastic steering wheel looks so good, and that purple stitching is amazing. Okay, we are headed to 8080. I'm not gonna predict the future, but the Gladiator 6x6 build is gonna start on December 5th or 6th or 7th. Honestly, I have no idea. Welcome here to 8080. We have arrived here at the 8080 headquarters. Guys, if you have not heard, 8080 is giving away their 2020 Toyota Supra Widebody plus $30,000 in cash. Check out the link in the description below, and one of you guys could win this car. To be honest, I'm gonna kind of sort of miss it. This thing is like fully spec'd out. It actually has the same turbo upgrade that Casey's installing right now on my Supra. Guys, check out the link in the description below, 8080.com. They're running all sorts of Black Friday deals, so you're gonna wanna check it out soon, because come December 8th, somebody's gonna own this car, and it might as well be you. It's so cute though. Look at that little baby turbo. Oh, he's just a little guy. Tiny guy. Okay, I'm sorry. That was a bad start to the turbo install. We're here at 8080. We got Casey, we got Stefan. Stefan, I'm not really sure what you're doing. Casey's really the master.
I'm supervising, because clearly people can't clean up after themselves.
True, yes. Stefan and I are supervising.
We can figure it out.
There she is.
Oh man.
Just a little itty bitty guy right there. And we got the Pure 800. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, that was annoying. I've been a little bit annoying today, and I apologize for that, but it's the Pure 800. As far as wheel horsepower numbers, we don't quite know yet. The goal after the install, not in today's video, but in a future video, is to put the Supra on the dyno. So, more to come. Whoa, whoa, Levi, are we getting a cold startup?
Yeah, you want one?
Yeah, let's do it. It's gonna be loud, boys, so headphone users, seize the moment. This car is way louder than my Supra. That is so loud, oh my gosh. Yeah, we're good. Out with the old, in with the new, Girth Nation. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to the vlog. Casey is just killing it. The most efficient turbo installer I've ever seen. I've never seen another turbo installer, but that's regardless. The world's fastest turbo installer. Massive shout out to all the guys here at 80, especially Casey. It's kind of sort of late in the day and it's cold out, so interesting. Wait for it, hit it. Whoa! Okay, boys. Wow, that was like a baby acceleration. That is a game changer. Why does there have to be traffic right now? There's traffic. It's 32 degrees Fahrenheit and the tires are cold, so it's not really like ideal. Oh, why is there so much traffic? Are you kidding me, Utah? This is why people shouldn't move here. There's a little bit of snow and ice, so we gotta be kind of sort of careful. Wait for it, wait for it. Okay, and punch it. Jeez. This car is a whole new animal. Jeez. Wow. That is like, I don't know what wheel horsepower we're pushing right now, boys, but it's at least 500. We got some pretty good wheel spin right there. The tires are cold, there's a bit of snow and ice on the ground right now, so probably not the best time to be doing this, but at the same time, we don't really have a choice. Hit it. If you own a Supra and you haven't upgraded the turbo, I suggest you do it now and you do it quickly. One last acceleration. Okay, so I gotta get home because I'm gonna go to jail otherwise, so yeah, home. Supra has just been completely transformed. All right, like I said earlier, we're gonna put the Supra on the dyno, but tomorrow I'm driving home to Oregon for Thanksgiving, and then when I get back to Utah, I'm taking a quick trip to Chicago, Illinois, for a bit of a secret project, if you will. Anyways, I probably said too much without quite saying enough. So we are gonna dyno the Supra. PureTurbos, their data suggests we're pushing right around 525 wheel horsepower. Now we wanna get our own independent measure. So when I do get back from Chicago, we're gonna dyno the Supra. But wow, guys, like it has completely transformed this car. It is a whole next level. Like I totally believe 525 wheel horsepower. On that bombshell, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.